Todd Lang, I'm the Director of Transportation Planning here at the Baltimore Metropolitan Council. We represent the City of Baltimore and the counties of Hartford, Baltimore, Carroll, Howard, Anne Arundel, and Queen Anne's County. As the Baltimore Metropolitan Council, we also serve as staff to the federally designated Metropolitan Planning Organization known as the Baltimore Regional Transportation Board. That board is tasked with planning and investing federal transit and federal highway funding out to the year 2050 in the region. We do this by working with local governments, with state departments, and with federal agencies. And we have a number of subcommittees that look at individual areas of transportation focus, such as our safety subcommittee that works with our local jurisdictions to try to identify individual safety improvements that can be done at the local level, because we have a lot of issues in terms of transportation safety on the highway and transit system and in active transportation with bicycles and pedestrians. But a lot of the solutions are really local. It really involves working with the police departments, with emergency management systems, and the engineering community to make sure we provide a safe system for all here. Other subcommittees include the freight subcommittee. So we look at some of the major freight producers, such as the Port of Baltimore and the BWI Airport, and make sure that we have good access for things like railroads and trucks to get in and out of those systems, making sure that also those trucks don't impact local neighborhoods and still provide access for freight to flow in and out of those different important freight producers. And then other subcommittees, like our air quality subcommittee, to make sure that whatever transportation improvements we do in the region do not go towards our efforts to try to improve air quality within the region. So beyond that, the Baltimore Metropolitan Council also does several other types of focus. We work with the affordable housing program, so we make sure that affordable housing is located near the jobs within the region. We also work on workforce development, trying to train people for the jobs that are growing in the Baltimore region. That, combined with our transportation focus, provides good wraparound services, making sure people are trained for the jobs that are growing, are able to kind of live near where those jobs are growing. And when we can't make those direct connections, we provide the transportation options to get people to the jobs from the housing. We also do things like emergency management planning. We make sure that we prepare for both man-made and natural disasters. This is also handy because we have housing transportation representatives here and can do that direct coordination. So I think most people don't understand, the transportation is really a circulation system for the region. And improvements in one area are certainly important to growth and economic development in other areas in the region. So an improvement in Carroll County is important to things like Anne Arundel County and vice versa. Because people live regional lives, they don't just necessarily live within their individual jurisdiction or county. Most of their travel is throughout the region, whether or not it's for work or for different medical appointments or schooling or going to different types of shopping. It's really a regional system, and individual jurisdictions need to work together to make sure that they provide their citizens access to all of these different important destinations. It's bringing them together and getting them to know each other and know the region as a whole. So most people are kind of focused on their individual county or city. What we do is make sure that those relationships are made, that everyone understands what's going on at the borders of these different jurisdictions, and when we do regional studies, they understand how important it is to make sure that the entire region flows appropriately. So public engagement is a huge part of what we are trying to strive for here in the region, making sure everyone understands the decisions that are being made, but then also the planning around those different types of decisions. So we try to make it as easy as possible. If you go to our website, there's a nice easy banner at the top of our website that says Get Involved. That will kind of show you that you can access all of our different meetings. All of our meetings are open to live streaming. They have video recordings, agendas, presentations posted later. So if you're not able to make the meeting at the exact time, you're able to kind of pull it up later and kind of understand what those conversations are. We also have an engagement hub. Each one of our major projects is highlighted on that engagement hub at yourregionyourvoice.org.